Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. After issuing one final warning, Shosher vanished. According to on-chain data released by cryptocurrency analytics company Sandymint, an unidentified Ethereum address has moved about 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens valued at over $250 million from a major cryptocurrency exchange to a self-custody wallet. The SHIB tokens were transferred to a new wallet from an Ethereum address that Etherscan identified as being associated with the US cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com. We will discuss Shoshi's departure and the most recent SHIB news today in this video. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. The transfer was split up into 6 separate transactions. Since March 1st, the whale has been swiftly accumulating Ethereum, and it currently owns 25 trillion SHIB in addition to 992 ETH. The Daily Hodl claims that as a result of the significant move to cold storage, it is now the third largest SHIB wallet globally and the largest wallet that isn't associated with an exchange. The largest transaction that Whale Alert has data on was the transfer of 4.1 trillion SHIB tokens for about $45 million to an anonymous wallet. It's unclear if another whale is transferring its tokens or if Crypto.com, which is transferring its SHIB to a new wallet, is making the transactions. Over the course of 2 days on Monday and Tuesday, the dog-themed token SHIB burned a massive 453 million coins, an extraordinary 137% increase, according to the Shibu burn tracking site Shib Burn. Burning SHIB tokens is the process of sending them to an address that cannot be retrieved using a private key, rendering them useless and taking them out of circulation forever. This is frequently done to lower the overall quantity in circulation, which helps to reduce inflation and raise the value of the remaining tokens. For Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin globally, token burning is a community-driven endeavor to boost the cryptocurrency's worth. It's also thought to be in homage to some Asian cultures' custom of burning paper money as an offering to ancestors. In the meantime, the beta release of Shubri, the ecosystem's Layer 2 protocol constructed on top of Ethereum, has the Shiba Inu community buzzing with excitement. The Shiba Inu community is expanding as they look for new opportunities to grow. Shiba's beta version was made available last week, giving beta testers a peek at the test net. Still in beta is Shubri, the much-awaited Layer 2 protocol built on top of Ethereum. As the team concentrates on creating more efficient procedures and issue tracking, it might stay that way for 2 to 4 months, according to Shiba developer Shosher Kusama, who goes by a pseudonym. The Shiba Inu community is experiencing a renewed sense of excitement and interest as a result of these advances. The community's ongoing interest in and increasing prominence in the cryptocurrency space is demonstrated by the launch of Sharam and the most recent transfer of SHIB tokens. It will be interesting to observe how these advancements affect Shiba Inu's adoption rate and future prospects. 2 well-known Ethereum investors have amassed an incredible 1,022,047,313,000 SHIB worth $10,898,378 from 2 different transactions in the last 24 hours, according to Whale Stats, a well-known blockchain statistics tracking company. The first transaction was completed by Kate, the 232nd largest Ethereum whale, according to Whale Stats. In a single transaction, Kate added an incredible 899,999,734,985 SHIB, or $9,619,197. Not long after, Blue Whale 0073, the 2,154th largest Ethereum whale, completed a transaction to purchase 122,475,782,018 SHIB, which is valued at $1,286,381. The noteworthy accumulation of whales occurs subsequent to Crypto.com's regular custom of moving 24,939,482,510,233 SHIB, or $269,595,185, to a new address in order to preserve the protection and safety of exchange wallets. Given that the market is currently short-term positive with Bitcoin leading the altcoins, a big price gain for SHIB appears imminent given the whale's substantial accumulation in a market where Bitcoin is currently trading above $28,000. When Bitcoin stops pumping and settles into a particular price range, altcoins can begin to do the same. Since the release of Shari in public beta, there has been a noticeable rise in the demand for Shiba Inus, which has led to a notable rise in the burn rate. The Shibu community has collectively destroyed 2,072,114,690 SHIB through 290 distinct transactions in the last week alone, according to the Crypt Basic. Amidst the ongoing developments, lead developer Shoshir Kusama of Shiba Inu recently alluded to a revolutionary development in remarks about the meeting that took place during the 2023 South by Southwest Festival in Texas between Ted Skilowitz, the futurist at Paramount Pictures, and Marcy Gastro, the advisor for Shibu Metaverse. Kusama has labeled every person of the community as in order to counteract the project's increasing negative public relations effort. A member of the Shibu Defensive Hybrid. Given that Shib's 30-day moving average and relative strength index are both in depressed levels that are due for a positive correction, the signs suggest that a rally may be on the horizon. The coin has been oversold, as evidenced by its RSI dropping as low as 30 earlier in the month. As the indicator is currently steadily moving toward 50, a recovery may not be far off. Shib's 30-day has also been declining for a few days, getting closer to the eventual rebound rally. Since SHIB hasn't had the large gains experienced by BTC, ETH, and other major coins over the previous week, it is fully debatable whether or not it will rally dramatically soon. There are a number of fundamental reasons to believe this. The most notable was Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network Shubri, which went live on March 11 as a beta. The network's official public launch is probably scheduled for the coming months. When Shibum is fully operational, users will be able to use Shiba Inu and all of the apps that are part of the EOS system at significantly lower costs, and transaction times will both speed up and scale. As a result, it is anticipated to raise demand for SHIB and enhance adoption and usage of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Its beta launch wasn't without problems. To be sure, some observers said it had stolen its chain ID from Renia, a new blockchain that is presently in testnet. In response to the accusations, Shibum developers moved swiftly. Kdia tweeted that no duplication was deliberate and that chain IDs were chosen at random for Shibum's beta network. To dispel any suspicion that Layer 2's team is simply replicating other networks, Dia also disclosed that his team would be relaunching a new Shibum beta network with a unique chain ID. Despite this refutation, Shib's price is still trailing many other significant tokens and hasn't done much to recover from its decline that coincided with the surfacing of the aforementioned claims. However, SHIB has risen in the market capitalization rankings this month, having jumped from 15th place earlier in March to 14th place around a week ago. This demonstrates its consistent expansion, which might continue once the metaverse launches. Although there isn't a set launch date for this virtual environment with a Shiba theme, it's generally anticipated to happen before the year is up. A few updates, including early footage of one of the distinct sections of the metaverse, have been provided by its crew recently. Developers claim that 10,595 buyable areas will make up the Shiba Metaverse planet, which will be unlocked gradually. 32,124 of the 3,643 lands that will be made available for purchase will be disclosed during the launch phase. These will be divided into many districts according to a certain graphical style and flavor. The metaverse presents itself as a hybrid of the future of gaming and entertainment industries. With this platform's methodology, it is reasonable to predict that SHIB will see some significant price increases as the year goes on. It's only at $0.108 at the now, but in the coming months, it may easily record returns of $0.0015 and $0.002. Actually, a lot of people are waiting for even greater returns, some are even hoping for $0 or higher. This is very ambitious, but if all of Shib's scheduled launches go as planned, there's no doubt that SHIB will eventually see some very desirable returns. That's all we have for today. To view our most recent videos, remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel.